Good afternoon. Today I want to show you how to make a purse, a box shaped purse, something like this. It has a zipper in the middle like this, and then this main body aspect, and then the zipper is sandwiched in between two pieces of material, and another small piece used to close the end of the zipper before being attached to the main body. So now this is the main body representing this place. This is the two pieces of material in between which we have the zipper, and then later on I will cut little pieces that will be used to close the end of the zipper. This particular one I'm going to make is going to have piping, so I want to show you how to make this kind of purse but that has piping. So these are piping material. You can use your piping directly like this. You can see it's rubber, it's plastic, or if you like you can wrap it up with your material for the bag, so it looks more qualitative. So in order to do that, you just cover it with your strip of leather material before sewing. So I just want to show you how to do that. I'm not going to use the covered piping. If you want to do the covered piping, this is what you do. So after you have sewn your leather to the piping to cover it like that, after then you will now use it and sew it around your material. But I'm going to use my piping like that. I'm not covering it. So what I will do first is to sew my zipper in between these two strips of material. So let me quickly do that. Because you have to turn in some sewing allowance of about ½ inch so that you have a very neat edge. Always pull your zipper head out of the way so that it doesn't break your machine needle. I'm going to sew the other side too, to the zipper. Remember to pull your zipper head out of the way. Okay, so that aspect now is ready. Now for me to know what to join to the end of the zipper, I have to measure what I have around here. Now if I go around this material, I have about 37 inches around. So I have 37 inches, and that means this one that is going to be in the middle also has to be that same measurement. It may be longer, but the perimeter of this material that will be in the middle has to also be the same with the perimeter of the main body for them to be able to fit in together. So I have to add some extra material to this so that it also measures up to 37 inches by the time I measure around. So now what do I have around this place? I have about that's 28 and a half. Let me go over to confirm. It's about 11 and a half. 11 and a half, two places, that's 23. 23 plus 2 and a half, that's 5. That's 28. Okay, so I have 28 here, then I have 37 here. What more do I have to add to 28 to come to 37? That means I need 9 inches more. So I have to cut more. I have to cut my leather and add that 9 inches. So it's inside and outside. Let's see now. It's about 15, that's 30. And here I have 2 and a half, that's 30. Okay, I'm going to cover everything like this. So I've joined material to the two ends of the zipper now. So let me measure and see what I have around, whether it's up to. So this is about 18 now, that's 32, 36. And what do I have here? 5. So that means I have, that means I have excess. I need to cut off. I don't need all that. What we need is 37, isn't it? How about 16? That's 32 plus 5. 32 plus 5, 37. Okay, so that's about what we need. So now, and before I join it, I want to add my handle. I want the purse to have a small handle. So I'll just cut a little bit of this handle material. This is not too short. This is too short. So I'm going to cut something like that. Okay, so I'm going to sew it to one end here. Okay, the next thing is to now bring the two of them together. So now I'm going to get the middle of this side, this wide side, and the middle here, and the notch. Then I'll pin. I need the middle of this one too here. Then I'll pin around. I'm going to pin around. I almost forgot that I need to add piping to the body of the purse. So let me quickly add that. I need to sew my piping to the body first before assembling it. You can see that your piping has a swollen portion and a flat portion. So you target that flat part, the flat part immediately below the swollen portion. That's where you should do your sewing. And as you're sewing, you see I need to add oil so as to make it move, since this is rubber. You control the machine and you don't allow it to leave that's your targeted point. Now you see I didn't reach exactly the end before. You have to leave a little space. When you're about like half an inch to the end, then you stop and turn, so that you'll be able to have a rounded corner. Now, when you get to the end, you cut off the excess piping, and then you get a little bit of material that matches your piping, preferably, so that your piping will look continuous and it will be difficult to tell where you started or ended. But if you use this red piece of material to end it, it will be easy to know where you started and ended your piping. So I normally prefer to use a matching material to close my piping. So close it like that, and then trim off any excess material. So now we need to pipe this. Then we now assemble and bring in that other long piece in the middle. So it will not be easy to just the point at those 2 points are notched initially. I'm going to start from there to assemble. So I'm going to sew around. So you trim off all your thread, and then possibly you can cover. You can use another strip of material to cover all these your sewn edges to make it neat inside. And then you turn right side out. So here we have our box shaped.